Introducing the innovative boltless racks by Fit-Right Engineering, designed to meet your storage needs with ease and efficiency. Available in multiple sizes, these racks offer easy assembly and transformation, making them perfect for a variety of needs. Whether you need to store heavy items or lighter ones, these racks are adjustable to accommodate your requirements. The shelves are available in durable MDF and metal sheet options. Installation process of boltless racks. These racks are made up of various components. Installation begins by assembling the uprights, which are the vertical components of the rack. Then attach the beams to create the shelves. Put the connectors and attach the other uprights to raise the level. The beams are slided into the slots on the uprights and are secured in a place that fits them perfectly without any nuts and bolts. Then place the board on the horizontal beams to make the shelves, and now the racks are ready. You can place your items of different sizes and weight on the racks. These racks can be placed anywhere as per your needs. Made of up to 16-gauge stainless steel, they are durable and reliable. With a double rivet system, these racks can carry weights of up to 1,000 pounds or 450 kgs. As these racks are made up of simple rivet system, they have a very simple setup process and can be transformed and adjusted in different shelf sizes as per requirements. The versatility and sturdiness of storage solution make these racks ideal for a wide range of environments including offices, warehouses, factories, industrial setups, and even homes. These racks are known for their durability and adaptability, allowing them to store various categories of products efficiently. You can purchase these racks from the e-commerce site of Fit-Right Engineering and avail special discounts on immediate purchase. Upgrade your storage solutions with boltless racks from Fit-Right Engineering today.